My friends and I who paddle, we paddled last year with masks, and this year, summer, most of us also with masks. And we were all positing that here at Nationals, we would see record-breaking.
We have Are You Ready? And they drop the boats and they're off. And this is going to be a great race here with prime boats, or I'm sorry, premier boats. And it looks like our crew from Rising Tide may be out there. And right beside him is the Philadelphia Dragon boat. And then in lane 3 is South Breeze. We've got ourselves a heck of a boat race as these wonderful crews, 100 paddlers, scream toward the finish line. Three. Wow, that was fantastic. Too close to call, totally unofficially, but I thought I saw the head of South Breeze in first, followed by Philadelphia Dragon and then Rising Tide. Totally unofficially, please.